Well, the public is getting antsy. The Obama administration has taken a very novel position lately in response to their particular political interest in trying to ingratiate themselves to a constituency that they have in mind, and are taking the position that they should sue states that seek federal cooperation in immigration enforcement and turn around and claim that the federal law preempts a state from doing what HB 56, for example, would do. Now, when you look at the government's briefs, they don't really cite the statutory basis of it. Everybody can agree. Everybody can agree that Congress, under the Constitution, has the plenary authority to decide immigration law. The American people get to decide who comes in, how many, and what are the rules. Congress makes those decisions. The executive branch carries out the law. Now, when the Obama administration sues states like Alabama and Arizona and others, the position they're taking is not that the statutory law preempts the state engagement. In fact, Congress has been trying to encourage it. The Obama administration is claiming that they have this license, this unfettered authority, this unilateral power to ignore immigration law based on their own policy and political agenda, an administrative form of amnesty that's now taken hold. Effectively, the administration is thwarting the American people by saying the law simply doesn't matter, using a specious argument that their limited resources mean they can only deport certain people, meaning serious felons and dangerous terrorists. Everybody else gets to stay. Effectively, they're telling Alabama and other states around the country, you're going to have to deal with the costs and consequences of virtually unlimited immigration. In fact, virtually unlimited immigration, in fact, excuse me, checked only by a narrow number of people who qualify under their priorities for deportation, and everybody else gets to stay. Come in on a non-immigrant visa, a tourist visa, overstay your visa, you're good to go. This is the message they're sending around the world. If there was a decrease in illegal immigration, it occurred during the last 2 years of the Bush administration, when they were beginning to really enforce the law. We've seen a dramatic effect here in Alabama and Arizona of people illegally in the state leaving. So we know that from that and many other examples I can give you, that people who break our laws are very responsive to changes in signals from our legal system that we're going to get these laws on the books, we're going to enforce them and make things happen. But the Obama administration has now left states in the precarious position of basically saying that the executive branch has limited, unfettered discretion, what we would consider just to be rampant lawlessness, taking away from. Ultimately, HB 56 is about self-determination. It's about the ability of Alabama and other states to control their destinies. It's about trying to ensure that the federal government does its responsibilities under the Constitution, and trying to ensure that the executive branch doesn't do what we have known for 30 years as the greatest danger the American people face in immigration, which is a rogue executive branch taking unto itself the right to simply abandon all immigration controls, or many immigration controls, to the detriment of the American people and our future.